What is up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy. Says Builds in the building. Well, in the car. Well, you know, it's my building. Today we are going to run some errands, and we're gonna go to Disney. So we're getting the build ready for Bimmer Invasion 2024 here in Orlando. And it's gonna be a crazy show. It's gonna be so many people there. If you are in Orlando, I say slide through, come check it out. It's gonna be a crazy show, and can't wait to show you guys the build once I have it ready for the show. Right now in the car I'm running cold air intake, catted downpipe, and JB4 Mach 2, and it pulls pretty good. It runs good. I've been wanting to run Map 3. I haven't had time to kind of log the car properly and send out my logs. So I know they suggested that I'll stick with Map 2 for now. But I've seen a lot of videos of people running Map 3 on the track, and it's pretty good. Not gonna lie, it's pretty dope. So if I could do that, I'm more than happy to do that. And I'll do a few pulls for you guys, and we'll keep talking about my plans are for the build and just what to expect from the channel. Oh yeah. Alright. Gas is $3.89. I'm in Florida, by the way. And I don't know, I feel like it's not terrible, it's not great, but I know you West Coasters have it a lot worse than we do. So I'm sorry. Also, you guys still sanitize your hands after you pump gas? This is just me. It feels a little weird, but whatever. Also, total side note, phone wise, I'm thinking about getting an iPhone 15 Pro Max for kind of like a day-to-day vlogging. But you know, there's also the GoPro Black. I don't know what they're on, what, 12, 13, 14 right now, I'm not sure. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Should I get an iPhone 15 Pro Max? Should I do a GoPro? I do have this camera right now. It's the Insta 360 that I have mounted to my visor, and it's pretty good. I like the versatility of it. The fact that I can do 360, I can shoot horizontal, so it's not a bad camera. But I was thinking about an iPhone 15 Pro Max, since you can pretty much record externally on a hard drive, and that sounds very appealing. Log sounds appealing as well. So let me know, guys, what do you think? Should I invest in a new phone? Should I get a GoPro? Should I not get anything? So let me know. We're gonna go to UPS right now, and after UPS we are going to do a few pulls on the Map 2. And it sounds great. I mean, I went catted because I didn't want the smell of the fumes. And also, you guys can see, if you can see, I have no check engine light. I've had it for 2 weeks already. Still no check engine light, no issues, no fuzz, nothing. But I do wish it was a little louder, where I can kind of hear the pops and bangs a little more. I don't know if there's any other G42 guys in here. But with my Apple CarPlay, my center display hasn't been working lately. My heads-up display works, but not my center one. It kind of just goes away. So as much as I don't want to use it, I've been having to use the big screen. I like ways for my big screens, just to see where all the nice cops are hiding, you know? So it's gonna make me take the long way. Let's try going another way, shall we? Do you guys ever want to push stuff where it says do not push? Or is it just me? I feel like if you tell me not to do something, I want to do it. I don't know if you guys can hear my intake. Sounds good though. It's really good. A couple pops. Yeah, man, it's a fun car. I really like this car. Lap 2. Everything looks good. Air fuel 14.7. I feel like that's pretty normal. Honestly, sounds great. Got no complaints. Sure, a little louder would be great. Just a little more. Just a little. But that's pretty good. I'm probably the only BMW guy that uses a blinker. But judge me all you want. I don't care. I'm gonna... I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the guy behind me doesn't like my driving. Or, you know, little Florida Southern hospitality, just right up your ass. Which is how we do it here. So, it could be one of those too. Who knows? This video is sponsored by Fairlife. Just kidding. Please sponsor me. I'm trying to get my protein in. You guys work out? I do. I've been going to the gym for 2 years now, and it's been pretty good. It's been pretty good for my mental health, for my physical health. I will say I haven't gone in a while, but when I do, it's great. Just try to eat somewhat healthy, somewhat clean. Says the guy that's gonna go to Magic Kingdom and probably eat like trash. So, yeah, moderation. I did go to a Cars and Coffee a couple of weeks back, and I know that Cars and Coffee is, the expectations are supercars and, you know, that good stuff, but I don't know, there's a part of me that wants to support us not supercar people. Sure, do I want a supercar? 100%. You know, if I could, I would. But, you know, before we get there, we're here now. And I feel like now it's a good time to kind of like live the moment and like appreciate your build and take the time to work on it, work on it with your friends, and just kind of like build relationships and do that. Did I mention that I'm probably the only BMW owner that uses a blinker? If there's more, there's probably one more person besides me. Shall we do a quick 1, 2, 3 while we're here? I think the road calls for it. Hello.
Annual pass?
Yes.
You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Damn, all the way in the back. Yo, a little bit packed. I usually walk to the entrance. I'm definitely gonna take that little trolley today. Cause yeah, boys, I'm in the back. Lady, hello. And dog, wanna see me coming?
And it was only filled up to $4 worth.
They robbed us. Well,
She robbed me. She didn't like me.
Mine got filled to the top.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah. All right, friends. We've made it. Finally in the car. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know where you're from, what build you're building, how is it going. Love to hear from you. So see y'all next time.